Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rose, so let's get started. To draw this rose in full bloom, let's first start by drawing the center of the rose. So I'm going to come right here and just kind of draw a wobbly circle. So I don't necessarily want it to be too round, maybe kind of like a wobbly circle, an oval, and then come right inside here, and we're just going to draw a curve right inside towards the bottom. Then from there, we're going to start to wobble our way around this circle. So let's come up and we're going to create the petal around it. So I come right here, come down, and just wobble my way across. There, just something like that. It really doesn't matter. You just want to be able to surround this inner circle right here. Okay, so then from there I'm going to start to create all the petals that go around and around, and just keeping in mind I'm creating this circular shape as I go. So now that we have this bottom part done, let's draw the top to fill it in. So I'm going to come right here, say about right here, and once again wobble my way across, up and down, creating these beautiful petals and then tucking it in. So we got that in. Now let's draw the bottom, since we need a bottom one now. So let's come right here and go up and down. And let's see here, we can come in just to change it up. Come in a little bit more and then tuck it in right here. So now we're going to create the top part to fill it in. So it's always the same thing, it's just an overlapping. So let's come over here, and there's no right or wrong way. You just want to create these petals that go around it. So don't worry too much about it, exactly like mine. You just want to create these curves that go around and around. So maybe that, we have that, then maybe I can come in here and let's see, maybe fill in the bottom part. So once again, same thing. So I'm just going to tuck this in maybe. Then I need something over here, so I'm just going to come out. Let's see here. Let's go around. So like I said, we're just continuing this circular shape. So wherever you think you need to add more fullness, then you just add another layer. Okay, so from there it's pretty much getting there. We're going to add the outside petals now to finish it off. So let's start down here, since the bottom petal right here. So I'm going to come say about right here. I'm going to add a curve, and I'm going to create this petal right here, wobble my way around. So that's one. Now let's fill it in. So nice and soft. And another petal. So the outside ones are a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. So right here, and add another one. And of course right here to finish it off, right? So right here. And always keeping in mind your circular shape. So right here, I'm going to add one in there. And then let's just tuck in a little one right here just to fill it in. A little petal and in. So there, that is it for this rose. Hopefully that was not too bad and I made it easy for you to follow. And then to decorate this rose, if you want to add some leaves around it, you can come, let's see right here, I'm just going to add some leaves. So give it some greenery. So one, maybe three on this side. A smaller one just to change it up. And then two over here. And one more right here. And And you know what, let me come in here with the black and just give it a center curve. So that is pretty much it for the drawing part. Now let's color it and bring it to life. So before we continue, I just wanted to show you, if you only had red and green, just two colors, what it would look like. And it just wouldn't have as much depth and bling to it, but it obviously would still work. You could just go back in with your red and come into the shadow areas and just go over it one more time to make it darker. And the same thing with the green. Just come back in here where you think you want some shadow. One more layer and it'll be a little bit darker. So, but if you have some darker color pencils of color red, or marker that's a little bit darker in red and a darker green, I wanted to show you also how you can bring it to life, and also very important if you have a white color pencil. So I'm going to come in here with the dark green and just really pop it out with the darker color. So there, hope you love how it turned out, and I've inspired you to give this a try, and I've made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I've helped you out, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.